Welcome to Brain Vision.
We would like to find the equilibrium mole fraction of NO in this reaction. We're given our total pressure as the sum of the individual pressures. So we can write an expression for Kp. That's our PNO squared over our 101 kPa minus PNO minus PO2 times 101 kPa minus PNO minus PN2. Solving for PNO, we get our PNO equal to the square root of Kp times PO2 times PN2. And now we can plug in our value, times PN2 over 2. So now our mole fraction of NO is just our PNO over our total P. We get this as the square root of Kp times PO2 times PN2 over 2 divided by our 101 kPa. Plugging in our numbers, we get our mole fraction, which I'll write as mole fraction of NO, is approximately 0.000347. So this is our equilibrium mole fraction.